Hello subscribers, welcome to part 4, where you will learn how to paint and get your model ready to sell. If you are interested in selling 3D models, send me a private comment, and I will guide you. Finally, let's paint our 3D printed miniature. I am using acrylic paints bought from a nearby stationery shop. First, let's use black paint to color the eyeballs. I am using toothpicks to mark the eyeballs. I recommend printing the miniature in white, so you won't need to use white paint for the eyes. White filament is empty, so I have used blue instead. Make sure the eyeball is U-shaped, not a circle or oval, as that gives the face an awkward look. Use a brush and black paint to color the eyelashes. Coat both eyes with black paint. I am using primary colors red, yellow, and blue with black and white to mix different skin tones. Use the primary paints to create a skin sandal color and cover the entire face. Use black paint to color the eyebrows. Paint the mustache and beard with black paint. Give the lips a pink color to add a natural look. Then, paint the hair with black as well. I am unable to record for a long time, so I will pause the video, paint, and then return to display the finished result. After painting, apply clear varnish or spray for a glossy protective coating to prevent peeling and dust buildup. Varnishes have dried, so I am unable to show the varnishing tutorial. This is the final output, ready to be turned into dollars in your pocket. I am planning to build a community of both new and professional miniature makers. Let me know in the comments which social media platform works best for you. Please forget to subscribe to this channel and watch more money-making content.